I occasionally get aphids on my roses, and so I bought this. And rarely do I review a product that I absolutely hate, that not only does not work, but it does the complete opposite as to what it's supposed to. This is one of them. It's the BioAdvanced Science-Based Solutions, I don't think so, Rose and Flower Insect Killer. It says it kills insects on contact and protects for up to 14 days. It kills 100 plus insects on contact, and I think that means 100 different kinds, not just 100 insects. Right here on the back is the directions, and I followed them, and if I open it, it's just different languages, so there's no more in-depth directions. But basically, you spray it on the roses and it kills them, or at least it's supposed to. And I'll show you what really happened. See some aphids? It didn't kill those. It didn't kill those. It didn't kill these. It makes the leaves look like this, which I guess that's kind of expected. But after spraying this all over the plant, not only did the aphids not die, but then I have these small white things, which aren't even baby aphids, they're something else. Not only did it not work, but somehow more bugs appeared. So that is the entire bush. I've had this thing for like 5 years. I planted it, it's over 6 feet tall, it's taller than me, and it's never had a problem this bad. And it's had a couple of problems with aphids over the years. Not too bad, and they just went away on their own. One time we had ladybugs and they ate them all up. I'm at the point where I'm gonna go get some more ladybugs because I don't want this to happen right here, and it really sucks when you buy a product and it not only does not work, but it does the complete opposite and somehow produces more bugs. So I'm going to give this a negative 10 out of 10. Don't buy anything from BioAdvanced. This product is complete crap.